Difference between opacity and fill. This is what we're going to talk about today in this video. Make sure to subscribe to the channel. This really helps a lot. So without any further ado, let's move into the video. For the basics of opacity and fill, you can see that this is the option of opacity. Let me go over there, and this is the option of opacity. As I drop down the opacity, I cannot see it. As same as when I drop down the fill option, I also cannot see it. But the difference only occurs when you are turning on the strokes. So let's say I'm turning the strokes back on. So there are some strokes over here that some basically cannot see. So for that, I'm going to go on the opacity option and scroll it down. You cannot see it anyways. But if I go to the fill option, now you will be able to see only the strokes but not the filling. So this is the difference between opacity and fill option. This is all from the video. Make sure to subscribe to the channel. If you have any question, put it down in the comment section. Also, don't forget to hit the like button. Thank you.